students in a series of fraction. Today's topic is dividing a fraction by a fraction.
We need to understand a very important topic before division of fraction, that is reciprocals. Reciprocals are number pairs that have the product 1. How? Just see here. For example, 2 by 3 is a fraction where 2 is numerator and 3 is denominator. When we multiply 2 by 3 with 3 by 2, we get the answer 1. It means 2 by 3 and 3 by 2 are reciprocal to each other because their product is 1. One more example is here. 1 by 5. 1 is the numerator, 5 is the denominator. When we multiply 1 by 5 with whole number 5, we get the answer, the product 1. It means 1 by 5 and 5 are reciprocal to each other. So here we can say that reciprocals are the number pairs that have the product 1. And one more thing, we can use the term multiplicative inverse also for reciprocal. It means multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2, or we can say reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. In similar way, we can say reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. It means how we can find out reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. We get reciprocal or multiplicative inverse by exchanging the numbers in numerator and denominator. Just see here 2 by 3. The multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Just observe this. In 3 by 2, 3 is numerator, which was denominator in 2 by 3, and 2 is denominator, which was numerator in 2 by 3. So to find out reciprocal is very easy. For example, just see here, here is a whole number 3 and we need to find out reciprocal for this whole number 3. But you know that we can write this 3 as a fraction also, like this 3 by 1, where 3 is a numerator and 1 is denominator. Now we can easily find out the reciprocal of this number 3 by 1. Here 3 is numerator and 1 is denominator. We will just exchange the numerator and denominator to each other. It means 3 will be denominator and 1 will be numerator. So reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Let us take one more example. 6 by 7. Here 6 is numerator, 7 is denominator. If we need to find out reciprocal of 6 by 7, what we will do? We will just exchange the position of numerator and denominator. This 6 will be denominator and 7 will be numerator. It means reciprocal of 6 by 7 is 7 by 6. Let us take one more example. Here is a mixed fraction 1 and 2 by 7. At first convert it into improper. I already told you whenever the question is in the form of mixed number, you need to convert it into improper one. 7 ones are 7 plus 2, 9 by 7. It is the improper fraction for this mixed number. Now we can easily find out the reciprocal of 9 by 7 by exchanging the numerator and denominator. It means this numerator 9 will be the denominator and this denominator 7 will be the numerator. It means reciprocal of 1 and 2 by 7 is 7 by 9. So it is very easy to find reciprocal or multiplicative inverse for any number. Let us take one question. 8 by 15 divided by 4 by 3. Here 8 by 15 and 4 by 3 both are fractions and we need to divide in 8 by 15. It means 8 by 15 is dividend and 4 by 3 is divisor. So here what we need to do, we need to find out the reciprocal of this divisor only, and we will replace this sign of division by multiplication and write reciprocal of 4 by 3. It means our question will be like this: 8 by 15 as it is. Instead of division, we will write sign of multiplication and reciprocal of 4 by 3, which is 3 by 4. Now it is a simple question of multiplication. Just find out the product of numerators and product of denominators. It means 8 multiply 3 by 15 multiply 4. We can simplify at this stage also. And how? It is very simple. We know that 3 and 15, the common factor is 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, and in 8 and 4, the common factor is 4. So 4 twos are 8 and 4 ones are 4. So here 2 ones are 2 and 5 ones are 5. 2 by 5 is our final answer. Next question is 6 by 5 divided by 6 by 5. Here this first number is called dividend and this 6 by 5 is our divisor. Here also we will replace the sign of division by multiplication and we will write reciprocal of this divisor 6 by 5. So our new form of this question is like this: 6 by 5. Instead of division, we will write the sign of multiplication and reciprocal of this 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. So it is our question and we will solve this. 6 multiply 5 and 5 multiply 6, and it is very simple to simplify. How it is? 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, and 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So what we get now? 1 by 1 means 1. 1 is our answer. Next question is this: 8 and 4 by 7 divided by 4 by 21. Here 8 and 4 by 7 is mixed number and 4 by 21 is a proper fraction. So first step will be to convert this mixed number into improper fraction. 8 sevens are 56 plus 4 60 by 7 divided by 4 by 21. Now our question is ready to solve. So here we will replace the sign of division by the sign of multiplication and write reciprocal of this divisor 4 by 21. So to write reciprocal, just exchange the numerator and denominator and our question will be like this: 60 by 7. Instead of division, there is sign of multiplication, and here 21 by 4, which is reciprocal of 4 by 21. Now it is a simple question of multiplication of fraction and you can solve it easily. 60 multiply 21, 7 multiply 4. Now we will simplify at this stage and it is very interesting. 4 ones are 4 and 4 15s are 60, and here 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. So what we will get now? 15 threes are 45. Next question is this: 3 and 4 by 5 divided by 3 by 5. Again there is a mixed number, so we will convert it into improper. 5 3s are 15 plus 4, 19 by 5 divided by 3 by 5. Now what we will do? We will just replace the sign of multiplication instead of this division. So here we will replace this division sign by multiplication and write reciprocal. So it is your new form of question. 19 by 5. Instead of division, there is multiplication, and reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. Now solve it. 19 multiply 5. 5 multiply 3. Product of numerators, product of denominators. And we can simplify here also like this. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. So it is 19 ones are 19 by 3 ones are 3. And because this answer is in form of improper fraction, that's why we will convert it into mixed number. And we will divide in 19 by 3. We will get mixed number 6 and 1 by 3, which is our final answer. Next question is 1 and 11 by 15 divided by 1 and 4 by 35. Both are mixed numbers, so we will convert it into improper. So it is 26 by 15 divided by 39 by 35. Now we will replace the sign of division by the sign of multiplication, and we will write reciprocal of 39 by 35, which is 35 by 39. So it is 26 by 15 multiply 35 by 39, and it is very simple because it is multiplication of fractions. So 26 multiply 35 by 15 multiply 39, and we can simplify it. How? 15 and 35 both have common factor, which is 5. So 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35, and here 13 2s are 26 and 13 3s are 39. So 2 7s are 14 and 3 3s are 9. 14 by 9, which is improper fraction, so we will convert it into mixed number. 1 and 5 by 9 is our final answer. Next question is this: 3 and 11 by 18 divided by 1 and 18 by 57. Both are mixed numbers, so we will convert it into improper. So it is now 65 by 18 divided by 75 by 57. Now we will replace the sign of division by the sign of multiplication, and we will write reciprocal of this divisor 75 by 57, which is 57 by 75. So it is our new form of this question. Now we can solve it easily because it is multiplication of fractions. 65 multiply 57 by 18 multiply 75. And how we will simplify? Very easy. Common factor of 65 and 75 is 5. So 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. And here 5 ones are 5. 5 fives are 25. Try to do it orally. And common factor of 18 and 57 is 3. 3 6 are 18. And here 3 ones are 3 and 3 nines are 27. So what we get now? 13 multiply 19 by 6 multiply 15. We will multiply the numerators. So the product of numerator is 247 and product of denominator is 90. So it is our improper fraction. We will convert it into mixed, and our answer will be 2 and 67 by 90. It is our final answer of this question. So my dear students, practice it, practice well, because the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Goodbye.